Everything is state of mind.
Hello everyone, welcome to Perceptions Film and Soft Skills Training. I am Aditee. Today, I'm going to discuss about commonly used time-based idioms. Idioms are a form of expression particular to a language, person, or a group of people. Idioms are a group of words whose meaning may not be deduced by the individual words, as it is more of a dialect of a group of people, place, community, culture, or country.
Let's begin.
Crunch time, a critical situation or a period of intense pressure. Example: this is crunch time, guys. We have just 3 days to complete the target. Oh God, I have just 1 hour to date too, guys. This is some crunch time. Time for a change, an expression for a decision to make a change. It may be a job, something, or someone. I have given so much to this relationship and all I got is pain. I guess it's time for a change. Lies, lies, and only lies. I can't take it anymore. That's it. It's time for a change. Like there is no tomorrow. To get involved in something so much as if this is the last opportunity, day, or moment. Example: if you want your dreams to come true, work as if there is no tomorrow. If you love me, then love me like there is no tomorrow. Long time no see. When you don't see or meet a person for a long time. Example: where have you been? Long time no see. Long time no see. Who kept you away from me for so long? If you are interested in doing a filmmaking course or soft skills course, please visit our facility near Chetak Bridge, Bhopal.